Epic Boss Productions presents Dangerous Jamaican Bank Robbery Movie starring Sister Petra, Epic Boss.
Hello, good afternoon, Corporal Brown office. Oh, may I assist? Okay, send him in. Alright, thank you. Come in. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Corporal Brown. How may I assist?
Good afternoon. My name is Jeremiah.
Nice to meet you, Jeremiah. What's wrong with you now? How can I help you?
Corporal,
Mm-hmm.
I have sad news.
Oh my God. What's happening?
My wife went to the bank today, right? She went to draw $500,000
Oh my God.
and she ended up on draw 800,000.
800,000. Wow.
Yes, Corporal.
Mm-hmm.
On her way back from the bank, she was robbed.
What you're saying to me? So your wife went to draw 500,000, end up and draw 800,000. She was robbed. So your wife didn't charter a taxi or anything, sir?
Corporal, my wife is a very stubborn lady, right? When she leave out this morning,
Yes, sir.
I tell her to let me follow her. Also, I tell her to call our daughter so our daughter can follow her. She called our daughter and our daughter tell her that she was busy, so she cannot follow her go to the bank. So I tell her let me follow her go to the bank, right? She insists that she can go on her own.
Oh my God.
So I let her go on her own.
Okay, sir. So where is your wife, sir? Where is your wife, sir? Because she's the one that's supposed to come and report what happened.
She's home, she's shaken up, she's in bed.
Shaken up. No matter how you're shaken up, sir, you're supposed to come to the police. That's the right thing to do. So why you didn't take her?
Listen to me now, Corporal. That's what I was telling her, but she's a very stubborn lady.
Stubborn that
Corporal.
she's not coming to the station to report a robbery of $800,000. Sir, I don't know how am I going to assist in that way, because she should be the one to come down and give us the report so we
Yes.
can do something. But as you're here, we're going to try to do something. But that is what is wrong with the Jamaican people. That's what's wrong. The victim, right? They always don't want to come to the police. For what reason, I don't know.
She just shaken up and
Shaken up is not it, sir.
she
shaken
said that
up.
she don't want anybody to come and hurt her or
But that's
hurt
the
us.
point, sir. That's the point. That is what is happening in Jamaica today. Whenever time people commit a crime, right, the victim, they stayed at home because they are afraid
Yes,
of
you're afraid.
what they can do again. But that's what they put the fear in you so that you don't come to the police, for the police to assist you guys properly.
My God have mercy. Oh, my man wicked so. $800,000, my man only give me $250. How could I come over me? God, how could I come over me? Let me tell him say he go rob me, mother. My God, my mother when they go give me money if you want me business, me want business, and me tell me man go rob me. My God. When me see him, I go tear him up, you know. I go rip him up. You wait till I buck him up. Oh God, man.
So she don't go to the doctor either, sir?
No, Corporal.
Why? So when this happened, sir?
This morning.
This morning. Okay. All right. Sir, I believe you guys are still careless, because I believe both of you should have come to the station.
Yes, but I tell her, as
I
I tell
believe
you,
that.
Corporal, she's very stubborn.
Sir, I understand what you're saying. My job is to tell you the right thing, sir. So being upset on me is not going to help the situation. You understand what I'm saying? I am going to send a team to go and check out where. Give me a few statements because by right I shouldn't be taking a statement from you because you weren't at the
I
scene.
am her husband.
Sir, I understand, but were
I
you there?
come here
Were
on
you
behalf
there,
of
sir?
her.
Sir, I understand. Were you there?
No, but
So
to tell me the story
Yes,
what
sir.
take place.
But what if she's telling a lie? What
My
if when
wife
she
not
comes?
telling a lie, and that's why I don't like to come to the police station, you know.
Sir, you don't have to get upset on us.
Yo, Asani. You say you're in Zot.
Yeah, man.
What your machine? Yo. You're cut time money, you know.
Alright.
You know, you're the corner man beat off a while ago.
Yeah, the man, I say, why I should bust them off around?
After me take 800,000 me get from the woman, you understand? And me give my be 250 out of it. So, me don't know if the mother go tell her say 800,000 me get.
Yeah.
Cause you know she love fear up and go on somewhere already, you know. So if anything, me I come borrow back the machine from you, you know. Cause me I go can the three of them, you know.
The cheer them.
The three of them me I can.
Think I share though.
Nah man, the three of them me I get rid of. Because they know say if this thing go down in and police get involved, you come down with me, you know.
Yeah, you're not good, you know.
What you mean?
Yeah, you're not good.
So you know if he say she go tell police say, are you me get the machine from?
I'm tell police I just thief a thief.
You hear me I say?
Yeah, you're not going down.
We have to get rid of her. If it come to that, you know, I not say it a come to it, you
I
know.
have to get rid of her.
But if it come to it, we have to just get rid of her and know say that's how it go.
Yeah, man.
You understand what I say? So, if anything, we come link you later on. Back to his trap. Alright, respect for that, you know. We link up, yeah?
They will give us details of what happened. They can tell us exactly where. What if it happened at a street, at the point of the street? We can know that that's where the criminal is at. But if you are going to tell me, and I'm going to ask you where exactly, you cannot pinpoint where because she just tell you that because she's in shock. You understand what I'm saying? So when you come here and getting upset at the police, that's not gonna work, sir. That's not professional.
I'm just
and the best thing, I understand that you're upset as well, but the best thing was for you to take your wife down here. You said that she's stubborn. I'm just gonna take just a little bit of details, and I'm gonna try my best because you're an elder person to send a team up there just to check out. But I know the criminals are not there. I know they're not there right now because normally when they commit a crime, they don't stay there. So it's not going to do anything, sir. But just to make you and your wife feel comfortable, I'm just going to take a few information and send a team go up there.
Where you have come from?
Me this say come from down a your yard. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Well done, thou good and faithful servant. Come here, come here.
So where you are come trail me for? Where you come
I
trail
don't
me
trail
for?
me, they trail you because you me just want to spend the time with you and me come look for you. You know you do a very good job, do a boy. Come here, man. You know you work very well.
Where you talk about?
I'm going to give you more gift and your talent. Tell me something. How much money you get? How much money me say you get?
Apparently the robber take away her phone, right?
Yes, but can you give me an exact time?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? Okay, sir. And 1 o'clock. So what time did she come to your house?
She come around after.
It was far away from your house, sir?
Not really, ma'am.
So can you give me the street of where you're living and where exactly?
Denmark Street.
Denmark? Yes, sir. Okay. All right. But I don't really hear a lot of crime.
No, it's a peaceful place.
Yeah, in that place.
You
It's
understand?
a
I
very
was
nice
so
season.
shocked. And we
Denmark.
just come from America, you know.
What you saying to me? So
Yes.
you're a returning resident?
Yes.
Oh my God.
You understand that even giant fearing us to come back to Jamaica?
I understand.
You understand?
All right. What you saying? Denmark Street, sir?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me see if I can send somebody just to...
She would tell me that they was going to rape her, you know.
Oh my God. What you saying to me?
They fire shot over her and also.
Oh my God.
Yes.
These criminals have no respect for elderly people. I understand, sir. All right. Don't worry. Let me see what they can do. But I know. I'm just doing this just to make you guys feel better. And we'll try send a team up there at night to like do a little patrol in the night. Now and then. It's not going to be always because we don't have enough cars.
I appreciate
It's just
that.
one car we have at the station.
I appreciate that, Corporal.
Hello, Inspector. Could you send a team up by Denmark Street in Ocheres, please? There has been a robbery and almost rape an elderly person in about 2 hours ago. So I'd really appreciate you sending somebody right away just to check and to see if they see any illegal movements up there. I'd really appreciate that, sir, and I'm really grateful. Thank you. Right away, sir. I'd really appreciate that. All right, bye-bye. All right, sir. Inspector is going to send somebody, a team up there to just see what's happening. But I wouldn't mind if you could let your wife come down here so we can take a better report because it's not going to work. We couldn't put this in writing. We would really want the proper information from her. So, and when she come, I would mind if she go to the doctor as well.
Okay, Corporal. I'm going to go home now and I'm going to tell her to come down here, right?
Yes. If she come, because as far as I see it, you're so scared of her being so stubborn. And you can, when you come, you ask for Corporal Brown.
Okay.
So Corporal. I can assist the case better than this.
Okay.
All right.
Corporal.
Have a good day. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. What is wrong with these people? And even want to rape an elderly person?
Why how much money you get? Too much money your papa for me, mother. You know, hear me attack
500,000 me take from her.
500,000. I can't even find something for lick off your head off. How much money me say you get, boy?
500,000 me get from her.
500,000 you get?
500,000 me get from her.
Stop telling lies. Stop telling lies. Eh? How much more money you have? Give me every cent. Take out to give me. You hear me say if you give me? Give me the rest of money. How much is it? It look like I see my mouth for me. Make a put in my bag. You're not running.
So you make it go down now.
I saw you there go down. You didn't know that before. You
remember where you're talking at the house.
Talking at the house.
You understand?
A prison me go and send you the chat.
So they said come down to now. Snitch for me.
Oh, you step on the check. Me not tell you say I go and kill you if you do nothing wrong. You don't know me already. Eh? I better jam in your throat with this here. Eh? Why you try to rape me, Martha? Why you try to rape me, Martha? Eh? You wicked, eh? You wicked.
Remember say it not done, you know.
I'm glad you know.
Just try to know that, you know.
What? What you try to do? Move your hand from off of me. Make a finish you, so ya. Eh? You little thief, you. You did a good job. Eh? You did a good job. And the last one, the first and last one, you go wrong.
You want to go on? You want to go on now, no? I just say it's starting, you know.
Yes, I just say
I just say it's starting, you know. Better to come clean, you.
Yes, man. You think he done?
Remember say it not done, you know.
Me glad you know say not done.
Here to get some corn later on,
Which
you know.
corn?
Remember say I get some corn.
I go and go down at the place and go make them know say you one criminal. You hear what me say? You little thief, you. Good amount of money you thief from me, man. Me want the rest. You hear what me say? Oh.
Some boy too becky. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no broke and not juice, we love run down. When chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no broke and not juice, we love run down. When chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Every photo out me, I tell you no lazy. Some boy want spoon feed like them a baby. Get up and go fi where you want, you no lady. Yeah, you them shoulda kill first in a slavery. Me no love man, me no want to no rate me. Check me profile, who no girl a date me. Remember the zinc fence and the boathouse. When rain a fall, the good fire out. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no broke and not juice, we love run down. When chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no broke and not juice, we love run down. When chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. You must be blind every day you come and beg me. I'll tell you from now, hard foot say a keg. Stand in your lane, keep yourself to yourself. Play a hero, you get your skull crack like egg. When top notch out, them lock skirt. Money sweet like oh mama pot sweet. Some boy can't keep up, job slip. Pink star run wrist, that not cheap. Anything we know have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper job street, no money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we know have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper job street, no money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Every photo me I tell you no lazy. Some boy want spoon feed like them a be a big. Get up and go the way you want, you no lady. And you them shoulda kill first in a slavery. Me no love man, me no want to no rate me. Check me profile, who no girl a date me. Remember the zinc fence and the boardhouse. When rain a fall, the good fire out. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper job street, no money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper job street, no money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome.